Hi there, my name is Sergey and I'm a professional artist, illustrator and art director working in the video game industry with more than a decade of experience. Throughout my career I worked in several big companies and made tons of game-related work like concept art, illustration, promo art, 3D models and textures as well as user interfaces. I'll be sharing with you the experience I've accumulated while working in the industry and help guiding you through your exciting journey to become a better artist. Learning art is always difficult, since art has a wide range of different styles, mediums and applications, and it's always a good idea to have a mentor by your side with enough work experience and understanding of video game industry needs. On this channel I will share with you some secret techniques, learning tips, portfolio advice as well as my thoughts about art in general, so you can become a pro artist yourself and start earning money with your skill as quickly as possible. We will also cover some topics like finding a job and pricing your art, how to study efficiently and not to burn out in the process. So stick around because I have a lot to share with you guys. Make sure to subscribe and hit the bell button so you don't miss my next video. Thanks for watching and see you soon!